It is here, ladies and gentlemen. We are at the final 3 days of school, so I am using the Racing Life kit from Coffee Planner Mom so that we can zoom on out of here and into summer. So I really like using this kit for that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. You're gonna see this kit. Actually, you will have already seen the leftovers I use. It's like time travel. In my catch-all, but I'm actually filming this one first because I wanted to take care of this. I did have some leftovers from when I first bought the kit originally, so I brought those out in case I need them. Plus I've got the deco, I've got all the things. So here we go. This is going to be a lot of to-do lists. We have events coming up. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited. I did not film last week. Everything just got a little too overwhelming when it came to last week in concerts. So I just said, you know what? It's okay. It's okay to not film a teacher playing with me. So I did everything in my catch-all. So we have talent show on Tuesday. Wednesday, I want to use this box and maybe layer it a little bit just for fun. Like that, maybe? I know it's a little crooked. Can I take that off? Can I? Can I do it? Can I realign this? It's questionable. I think I can, though. I just want to do that, and let's do one of the little race cars. Yes, so this is PTO cookout. We do that for lunch. That's always fun too. And then we have third grade walk around in the afternoon. So let's do that with, I'm trying to think. Maybe we just do that with a helmet. Let's do the red one. And we just kind of dismissed the third graders first, so it's the third grade farewell. Now, for those of you, if this is your first video, you're probably going, third grade farewell? What? Wouldn't that be fifth grade? I am a music teacher, so I teach at my K-3 building, because that's how our district does it. Our K-3 building is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And my 4 and 5 building is Tuesday, Thursday. So I will not be with the fifth graders on Wednesday. I'll see them for the talent show in that area there. Talent shows during the day. Is there anything on Monday? I don't think so, other than like checklist things that I need to do. And we're gonna have kind of checklists everywhere. Oh, I've got the quotes page too. I gotta get that. I'm saving the weekend banner from my regular planner. Let's do driver start your engines. We'll do that on the teacher work day. And then let's grab this full box here. and the vroom. Vroom. Trying to think. I think of blue, but I think I might use the checkbox. Let me use the... No. Holly, stay focused. Stay focused. We'll go like here and here. All right, let's get to checklists, because we will need those. There are a lot of to-dos at the end of the year, and I'm thinking, since I have 2 buildings and I have to clean up both, I have to clean up both of my classrooms. I may stay after school on Tuesday to make sure I have either everything done or what I need to come back to do. So I'll put 2 checklists there. One here. Oh, the wind blew hard enough to open the door instead of close it. So if the door slams, just so you know, because I've got the windows open. Let's put this one like here, because this is teacher work day. And yeah, I think, is that it for this spread? I feel like we need more deco. There's got to be more deco, right? Let's do... Let's do some at the top first. I gotta remember to look at these guys, because I know there's deco on here too. I kind of like using the blue helmets because our school colors are blue. I feel like I have another. Oh yes, I've got the little racers too. You there. Let's grab the other blue one. And then flags. There. And then the other sky. There. Sweet. This is super cute. Super cute for the final week of school. Now, this is going to be my last, like, teacher playing with me. I'm going to pull this up while I write. I do plan on doing some teacher content over the summer, though, so stay tuned for that. So this is going to be shred pile. Not necessarily that I'll shred it that day, but make sure I have my pile of shreddables. Take down deco. I want to redo what I did at my K-3 building. I have a different idea going forward. So I want to take down the deco and move it actually to the other building. What's the borders to other building. Pack that stuff up. And obviously, I still am seeing students. Maybe not obviously, I don't know. I'm still seeing students on Mondays, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I do have to leave some things out. But I want to just double check. Oh, concert dates for next year. Get those in. But yeah, I want to make sure and talk to boss about hallway deco. I want to purchase some, since my classroom's off the main hallway, like, or not off, it's on the main hallway. I'm on the main hallway. With art, I kind of want to get something that's, I don't know, I want to purchase something that is long lasting and is more like all school and not just music related, because again, all of the students go down this hallway all of the time, whether it's going to recess, going to lunch, going to specials. Guests, when they come in, they go down this hallway. So I want to like zhuzh it up a bit, but I don't necessarily want to use all of my own money for it. I want to see if there's any funds. So we'll see. The worst thing that he says is no, right? Never hurts to ask. All right, other side. So I need to organize shelves, pack away instruments, like any that I have out. Oh, over here I gotta fill out maintenance order. I'll just put carpet order. I'll know what that means. So yeah, this is it. This is what the end of the year looks like. Always a fun time. Teacher desk. I think I'll leave it there and then I'll come back and write in some more. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. Catch you all in the next one.